Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are back with lesson 1.2. So let's get started. Before we continue, I want to go ahead and let you guys know what you guys will be learning in lesson 1.2, which is revise and practice the present simple, the present continuous, the past simple, and the past continuous in the context of talking about the difference between men and women. You guys are also learning and practicing common collections like take, get, do, and go. So let's get started with number 1. Number 1, you guys are starting with what is called vocabulary. It says, working partners, think of all the people you have talked to in the last 24 hours. What relationship do they have to you? I know you guys can't talk in partners, you can't share, but what you guys can do is you can ask yourself. I just want you guys thinking about this and getting in touch with this context. Okay? Now, once you have done that, take a look at letter B. Letter B says, look at the questions, look at the words in the box and answer the questions. So, first of all, this is our box. The first one is already done for us. Which pair works together? Boss and employee. Now, let's continue. We have classmate, partners, teammates, members, godfather and godmother, mentor and pupil, and fiance and fiance. Okay, so these are all the words in the box. You have to figure out and match them with the questions that you guys have right here at the bottom. Now let's take a look at letter C. Letter C says listen to 6 sentences, tick the words in the box, and exercise 1B. Which one do you hear? So what you have to do here is you have to pay extra attention. If you need to listen to this twice, if you have to, you can do that. Now, what you guys are ticking are the words in the box on top. Once again, I'm going to repeat it. It's your book. You can highlight, you can underline, you can check, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. Now, this is something I really wanted to talk to you guys about, and I'm actually going to send you the link of a second video so you guys can understand what word stressed is. For letter G, what you have to do is you have 6 of the words that you have been talking about have 2 syllables. You have to find the words and underline the stress syllable. Right here, they say the word out loud, putting the stress on the correct syllable. And I know you're wondering and you're asking yourself, how do you do that? How do you find the stress syllable? In Spanish, it's called el golpe de voz de las palabras. How do we do that? I want you guys to pay extra attention on the Speakout tip that you have right here. It says, remember, most 2-syllable words in English have the stress syllable on the first syllable. How are you going to find that out? I want you guys to hold your hand under your chin and say the word slowly. Can you guys feel the jaw? How your jaw, the bottom part of your chin, drops more on the stress syllable? That's how you guys will find out what stress syllable is in each word. Okay? Now, take a look at number 2. There's a lot of working in group questions and discussions. What I want you guys to do is, since we have a group chat, I'm going to go ahead and start asking you guys to participate in our group chat so we can get these discussions going. And it's not just you sitting in front of your computer listening to me talk. Okay? But let me explain it so once we have our group chat going, you know what to do. Number 1 says, can you think about one man and one woman who have played important roles in your life? Who are they? Why was a relationship important? Okay, take a look at number 2. Do you think men and women are different in these roles, and how? So, like I said,